Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my previous video where I did this hairstyle, I decided to show you guys how I remove the glue from my hair, because I know a lot of people been talking about why I didn't use a protective scalp, and with all this natural, healthy, trending stuff going on in the world right now, you know, on Instagram, you have some people be like, oh, she putting glue on her scalp, blah blah blah. So y'all be even like, this is an old school where we used to do this. So I'm gonna show you how I remove my tracks. So I get oil sheen, or I use or I just shower and wash my hair, and when I put in the conditioner it literally would slide off. But since I can't do that, why do I want this? Remove this. I'm gonna show you how I use the oil sheen. So literally what I do is I separate my hair and I spray the oil sheen on the track itself. And I spray a lot, and I just let that sit for a while. I don't normally reuse these here after. So let this sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, or not even. And it literally sliding out just like that, and none of my hair is on it. There's only a little bit, and it's right here. If I don't know if you can see, but that's where you only see some of my hair, right here. But otherwise, nothing is on it. Whenever it's hard, you just let it stay, and it will eventually get off. It's itching me. This is the thing. I can't wear these things for too long because they're itching me. I think I might make some clippings for this style because itches, man. It's so good. So I'm gonna wash my hair and give myself a deep condition treatment, and everything will fall, like all the glue will literally come out of my hair when I put the conditioner in my hair. And I'm gonna use a comb to comb through my hair with the conditioner, and it will literally get off. I know this is not 100% protective style or safe. I'm gonna use a little bit of my hair whenever I'm combing through with the shampoo with the conditioner, but that's fine with me because I'm allergic to that protector stuff. I'm just okay with it. It's my hair, and I do whatever is okay for me. You don't have to do what I do. When I put out these videos, I'm not telling you guys to do it, do this, do that. It's just this is what I do. You guys ask for these pixie cut videos, and I can't just always come on here and style my own pixie cut. I have to change it up, and so you guys can be entertained. And yes, if you guys want to try it, then try it. If you don't want to, don't do it. If you don't think it's safe, then don't do it, obviously. That's it. So I'm gonna wash my hair right now. I don't think I'm gonna come back on camera. I might not, but it's really late and I work in the morning, so I probably won't. But yeah, so I hope this is helpful. And yeah, take care guys, and I'll see you in my, oh god, cook, I look crazy. Take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.